Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Reenu Gupta and the bulletin starts with a Google Photos rolling out memories, a tab removal and Android. Intel to spin off its venture capital arm. ASUS announces NUC 14 Essential. Qualcomm hires Intel Xeon chief architect Amit Sarwar's CPU's plan. Google backed with Pixel successfully launched India's first private satellite constellation. Samsung launches new phone trade in a program where you don't have to buy a new phone. WhatsApp may replace communities tab with AIs and more. In the previous quiz, we asked you who is the founder of Microsoft, and the answer is Bill Gates. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: which country's satellite is ISRO launching to enable direct smartphone voice calls? Confident you have got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin if you need it. Now, Google Photos for Android is simplifying its bottom bar and removing the Memories tab, making the app cleaner and more streamlined. The bottom bar now features three tabs: Photos, Collections, and Search. AI powered is Gemini. The Memories feed has been remembered has a movements and is now found under the Collection tab, where it is sits alongside another feature like People and Pets, Album, Documents, and Places. This change does not affect functionality. User can still view their photos and organize by events, add details and share. The new Moments layout use album art that cycles through recent images. The update part of Vision 7.11. This being rolled out in a server-side update is not yet widely available. Now, Intel Corp announced on Tuesday that it will separate its venture capital and investment arm Intel Capital and standalone company to boost efficiency. The new entity set to launch the second half of 2025 will operate under a new name with the current Intel Capital team. Transferring to the new company, Intel has remained the anchor investor, continuing a long-term strategic partnership. Intel interim CEO and the CFO described the separation of win-win situation, providing Intel Capital with access to new capital source of growth. Founded in 1991, Intel Capital manages a $5 billion in asset investment in areas which is Silicon Frontier technology, devices and cloud computing, supporting and innovation across the tech ecosystem. Now, ASUS has introduced the NUC 14 Essential, a compact and energy-efficient mini PC and powered by the latest Intel Core N series processor. Designed for office tasks and content creation, it delivers a 42% performance and boost compared to previous models. The NUC 14 Essential support up to 3 4K display for a smooth multitasking, ideal for a browsing, video conferencing, streamlining and a data analysis. It features Intel Wi-Fi C for a high-speed connection and Bluetooth 5.3 for a clear audio during meetings and media playbacks. With the easy access of memory of SSD upgrade, it's perfect for students, office workers and field deployments and offering flexibility of mounting options. The mini PC is built for durability, passing extension and testing. It includes a self-healing BIOS for enhancing security. It comes with a 3-year warranty and a global support. Sailesh Kotapalli, a 28 years Intel veteran and a former chief architect of Xeon processor, has joined a Qualcomm and a senior vice president to help the company entire and data center CPU market. Kotapalli, who's previously worked in Illumina and Xeon chips, made the move of Qualcomm disclosed its plans to develop high-performance, energy-efficient server solution. Qualcomm Data Center team to focus on building a reference platform based on Snapdragon SoCs with an emphasis on confidential computing. This follows a Qualcomm ongoing efforts to compete with the data and center market, including its AI accelerator chips under the Qualcomm a Cloud AI brand. The company's unit CPUs push the PC market and Snapdragon X series is a part of broader strategy which also includes a CPUs for data centers. Indian space tech startup Apixel launched 3 of its 6 hyperspectral imaging satellites aboard a SpaceX rocket in California on Tuesday. The launch took place at 1915 GMT in a Vandenberg Space Force Base, marking a significant milestone for India's private Space sector. The satellites are designed for use on hyperspectral imaging, a technology that captures a detailed data across hundreds of light bands. This technology has vast potential in industries like agriculture, mining, environmental monitoring, and defense. Pixel aims to enhance a crop yields and India's agri economy, monitor oil spills, track resources, and provide improved insights of geopolitical boundaries. With the backing of Google, the 5-year-old startup, it is contribute to country's growing space industry. Samsung has launched the Galaxy Trade-in program, allowing customers to trade their old devices without need to purchase a new phone. Initially available in South Korea and France. The program is managed by the Likewise and Covered series Galaxy devices including S23, S22, S21, S20, Z Fold 5, Fold 4, Fold 3, Fold 5 and Flip 4 and Flip 3. The value of the trade is demand for the device condition granted for the categories like excellent, good or recycled. Samsung aims to contribute to a circular economy by offering our customers the chance to get value for their old devices. While details on a payout available for the program pages, Samsung plans to expand the offer and other market last year. Last, a WhatsApp with the Meta-owned instant messaging platform, more than 2 billion users worldwide and often updated the new and a usual feature. As it turns out, the developers are reportedly working on a new functionality that would allow users to create their very own AI-powered character. WhatsApp V2 25126, a beta Android replaced the Communities tab with a new AI tab. Similar to the Meta's AI Studio tool for Instagram, the new feature will allow users to build custom AI chatbot with the traits and their choices. For example, user will be available to create AI chatbot that can help you with the productivity, offer personalized assistance, and encourage you when working out to keep you updated about the latest news. This is for today's news. For more such tech updates, follow IT Voice.